You see these 5 things I am about to share with you in this video. They are exactly what I do immediately after uploading any video on my channel. And these are the same secret strategies that top YouTubers use to trigger the algorithm and boost their visibility. So if you are a small channel that is struggling with low views, no new subscribers, or your watch hours are not increasing, I believe applying these 5 strategies will help you get that visibility and engagement on your videos. That will make YouTube to recommend your video, because YouTube will only recommend and push your video based on how people are reacting to the video, because YouTube actually work hand in hand with your audience. So if you post a video and no one is watching, no engagement being noticed on that video, to be sincere with you, that video is not going to perform well. So all you have to do now is to pay close attention, because these 5 simple actions can literally change your video's performance. I applied them on my videos and I saw changes. So come with me as I unveil the secret strategies in today's tutorial. So the first thing I usually do immediately after uploading my video is to watch my own video from the same account I posted the video. Now listen carefully. I know this might sound funny, but it works so well. And don't worry, I will tell you why. So right after you upload your video, click on it using the same account and watch the video from the beginning to the end. Make sure not to skip any part of the video, and also don't fast forward it. And the reason is because YouTube's algorithm measures early engagement signals within the first few minutes of your upload. So when you watch your own video fully, YouTube sees that instant viewer retention and recognizes early activity, which gives your video, though a small but important push in visibility. So that's the first step. Be the one to give your video that early engagement boost by watching your own video. The second thing I always do is to add a smart pinned comment after I upload a video. Now, what do I mean by smart pinned comments? Well, first of all, you have to know that your pinned comment is a traffic tool as well that can boost engagement. People can even subscribe to your channel after going through your pinned comments. Also, your pinned comments can lead viewers to your next video or to a related one. But then, it's not all about writing just anything and leaving it there. You have to be strategic when doing it. For example, you don't just write, "Thank you for watching this video, please engage," or "Hope you enjoyed this video," and then you leave it there. If you do that, you will not get what you want. Instead, you can write something like, "If you want to learn how to get your first 1,000 views fast, watch this next video here." And then you drop the link of that video. You see, this method does 2 powerful things. 1, it keeps viewers on your channel longer because you've introduced your older video for viewers to keep watching, which helps the YouTube algorithm. Secondly, it increases your watch time and video to video engagement, because the more minutes viewers spend watching series of your videos, the more watch hours you get, which is also a key ranking signal. Also, when people see your pinned comment, many will reply to it, and that's more engagement for your video. So your pinned comment is your engagement driver. The third thing I always like doing immediately after uploading my videos is adding end screens, cards, and playlists to my video. Every serious YouTuber uses this. Your end screens and cards help the algorithm recommend your other videos automatically. Think of it like this. Every video you upload should promote at least one older video, or a playlist. So whenever you are setting up your video in YouTube Studio, add end screens to direct viewers to other related videos or to your playlists. Add cards that pop up midway through your video with relevant content. And if possible, link them to your playlist, not just one single video. Playlists help increase total watch time and keep people watching your content. Trust me, this small step can transform your audience retention and visibility. Now, the fourth thing you need to do immediately after uploading your video is to share your video smartly. Now, when I say smartly, I don't mean spamming your links everywhere. No, rather, I mean share your uploaded video to your community tab. Yes, YouTube now promotes posts almost like the way it promotes videos. So post your video on your community tab with a short caption, for example, "Hey guys, I just dropped a new video on how to increase your YouTube watch hours. Go check it out." You see, even if you have a small audience, you need to keep doing this. The YouTube system recommends community posts to even non-subscribers too. You can also share your video through your shorts. This one is another powerful tool. Simply create a 15 to 30-second clip from your main video. Post it as a short, and in the caption, say something like, "Watch the full video on my channel." You see, this method has brought many of my older videos back to life, even months after uploading them. Now, the fifth thing you need to do immediately after you upload your video is to engage with your comments. This is very important. When you start getting comments on your uploaded video, you need to reply them. Ask questions. Say thank you to your viewers that drop those comments. Keep the conversation going, because the more interaction YouTube sees in your comment section, the better your video performs. YouTube pushes videos that keep audience talking, so don't ignore your community. Now, if you have watched this video to this point, it shows you are serious about growing your channel. So start applying these strategies immediately after uploading your next video, and watch your impressions, views, and engagement start climbing up. And hey, if you want to know the best time to upload your YouTube videos for maximum visibility, I already have a full video that breaks it down for you. I will drop the link of the video right here in the description box of this video. So do well to watch that video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please do well to like this video, share, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to drop a meaningful comment in the comment section below.